Hello everyone, how are you? This is Alamin. Today I would like to share about different culture. The world is full of different culture, language and traditional. This difference makes our planet beautiful and interesting. When we meeting people from other country, we learn new ways of thinking and living. Sometimes culture misunderstanding happen, but they can be solved through respect and often mindless. I believe that learning about other cultures help us become more tolerant and global citizenships. That's all about me. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Stay well. See you soon.